Hello and welcome to Angels Partners. In this video, we are going to review how to make the best of our founder community. This community is here to help you discover and connect with other founders who are currently raising or have recently raised funds. The main goal is to connect with relevant founders in your industry who can help you connect with relevant investors. Be nice and helpful, and try to connect via a video call whenever possible. Before you can start connecting to founders, you first need to complete the following preliminary step. Head over to your profile section and fill out an introductory message that you want to share with other founders. You can express what you are looking for and explain what you could offer in return and under which conditions. Once this is done, you will gain access to our founders community. Head back to the founder community page and start searching for relevant startups based on their location and industry. Use the filters to your convenience and browse the startups that match your criteria. Review their basic information from their startup page, and if you think this is a match, click on the contact button. You can send them a direct message via the platform. Just like with the investor community, they will be able to accept or decline your invitation to connect. If you receive an invitation to connect, it will be listed at the top of the page with the option to either accept or decline. If you successfully connect with another founder on the platform, you can communicate directly from our chat rooms at the top of the screen here and start engaging with other founders. Remember, remain polite and helpful. No one is obliged to help you, but we believe that between founders, it's always good to create genuine bonds that can be mutually beneficial, especially while you are fundraising. Thank you, and good luck with your fundraising.